Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50i Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions on this REALME smartphone. Firstly, just open Settings and tap on Privacy section right away. Now choose Permission Manager, click on one of your device's options like Location and select an app. I will go with Facebook. Then click on one of those options to set up the best one for you. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with Allow only when using. Then click on the back button, and as you can see now, Facebook just gained access to my device location if I'm using this app. But you can always pick any feature and then an app that you are interested in. For example, I want to change permissions to my Google Wallet. Then click on See all Google Wallet permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!